Hi guys! Happy New Year! Today, let's learn how to make ham and spinach quiche. Although quiche is a classic French dish, it was actually originated in Germany. The original quiche was an open pie with a filling consisting of an egg and cream custard with smoked bacon. Quiche is a savory meal served for brunch or dinner. Using a store-bought pie crust makes this a super easy dish to bake. These are the ingredients: 1 pie crust, 1 medium red onion diced, 2 medium eggs, half cup double cream, 2 cups spinach, basil for garnish, 1 ham sliced, 2 tablespoons butter, half cup cheddar cheese, and pepper to taste. First thing to do is to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. In a medium pan, add butter and sauté red onions until translucent. Add ham and cook until ready. Add spinach. Cook until spinach just starts to wilt if using fresh, or till heated through if using frozen, then set aside. Grate at least half cup of cheddar cheese. In a large bowl, whisk 2 eggs. Add half cup of double cream and cheddar cheese. Mix until well combined. Then add pepper to taste. Add sautéed ham and spinach. Spread evenly into the pie crust. Slowly pour the mixture into the pie crust. Sprinkle the remaining cheddar cheese on top of pie. Garnish some basil on top. Place into the preheated oven and bake for 30 to 40 minutes. Remove from oven and allow to rest for 10 minutes before serving. And that's my homemade ham and spinach quiche. Serve and enjoy! If you like the recipe, comment down below and be sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel, C&J. Check out and follow my social media accounts at C6J Travels. See you guys on my next uploads. Ta!